Wagwan ENT.
Ganja smoker, Lord. I am a veteran ganja smoker, Lord. Me say go tell it to your mother, go tell your sister, and then you tell it to your brother. Me say I'm your daughter. I am a veteran ganja smoker, Lord. Say I'm a veteran ganja smoker. Why? Because when me come and knock me bounce in a corner, and when me hold the mic and start to lecture, me lick it on the roof, me lick it in a culture. So listen what the MC have to offer, Lord. In on the day you read up the chapter, through the killing of the wisdom of the holy after. And when we come and us, we lick it in a culture. Say every day you get up, you free that chapter. No, in on the dance and the roots and culture. I am a veteran ganja smoker, Lord. Say I'm a veteran ganja smoker, Lord. Me say me come in on the dance, me set your soul on fire. And when we come and us, we do the smoker rumba. No settle operator and touch it make star. Me not send no request to no local. Request to them and them we drink up liquor. I am a veteran ganja smoker, Lord. Say I'm a veteran ganja smoker, Lord. Cause me say language Shadowman, me sparring partner. A language Squiddly mama in the era. A language just crew, money big voucher. But oh, at this super liquid tiny wonder. I am a veteran ganja smoker, Lord. Say I'm a veteran ganja smoker, Lord. Me up big girl, me ash also me wisdom. The next time me smoke it in a chalwa. But when me come out me set your soul on fire. Me smoke one chalice but me won't get ready. Me drink up jam and me drink up me liquor. The next time me smoke up me damn ganja. Cause me have a little land in a Manchester. Me plant up me cabbage and some potato. The next thing me plant up me strong ganja. And when me come out me lick it in a order. I am a veteran ganja smoker. Why? Say I'm a veteran ganja smoker, Lord. Because a long time ago me say in the era me used to smoke ganja in a brown paper. But now things and time get so bigger. Me smoke it in a gear and so me whistler. John O.J. Locks every hour. But like Everton fling down selection scene. John O.J. Locks. I do some content chorus business with for more. Yay! So like the Kingston play every hour on the Iowa. Everton on the Kingston selector. Nah me come in now. Or up all scene. Or Courtney. Just come in now. Yes, relax. All and pull it. Well done to the fast start. Take up journal start to break all weekend. John O.J. Locks to come and dance all you have to talk.
There's a fire burning in my soul. There's a fire getting out of control. I can't sleep at night. Everything I do don't turn out right. Baby, come back, let's start new. I never do the best things I do. There's a fire burning in my soul. Yeah, there's a fire getting out of control. Ever since you're gone, I just can't carry on. Baby, come back, let's start anew. I never do those bad things I do. There's a fire burning in my soul. There's a fire getting out of control.
More like Everton.
People say that
Champion.
I'm a fool because I've got this love for you. But baby, 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 come on back. I'll never be untrue to you. There's a fire burning in my soul. There's a fire getting out of control. There's a fire.
But like Everton, the selector man. Just a look it on a style and fashion.
I just can't carry on. Baby, come back, let's
no, I'll pull it. John O.J. Locks got them style come like bullet. Now come in, Mr. Lee, cause you're big every time. So last I know those lyrics and rhyme. C.J. Locks. Now we have to Mr. Lee.
Second up here, rap, Little Dance, Squiddly Bang, Shadowman, Second, Screw, Everton, Janga. Work tight, see? Whoa, romantic music on ya. Why? Romantic music on ya. Boy, dream of romantic when you are lonely. Oh baby, dream of of romantic when it was said. Want to know? I want to know. It is the nicest sound I'm playing in town. Alright, it is the nicest sound I'm playing in town. Man, little one.
Talk it up, me selector. Jano dreadlocks, last night me dream about romantic. Dean, just go on, Mr. Lehman.
Squiddly bam, romantic music on, yeah. Let's take a God and sing on them on the scene. Count a big. Dream of romantic when you are lonely, whoa baby. Dream of romantic when you are sad. Want to know? I want to know. There is the nicest sound of playing in town. My boy, there is the nicest sound of playing in town. Man, diddly wood. Dream of romantic when you are lonely, oh baby. Dream of romantic when you are sad. Want to know? I let you know. It is the nicest sound now in a jam down. A romantic rule uptown, we say and downtown. That is the sound romantic, you can't take it for no clown. Why? Whoa, romantic music on ya. Little John up on the corner. Whoa, romantic music on ya. Whoa, dream of romantic when you are lonely, oh baby. Dream of romantic when you are sad. Want to know? This romantic is the A1 sound. It's the A1 sound right now playing in a jam down. I'm in the world, Shadowman, Squiddly Bob. Little John, rock it through, baby Bob. And little Chucky, Mr. Lee, ding ding boy.
Yes, Mr. Lee. Well, right now, dreadlocks. That's when I do it warm on these 10 scene. Now, dreadlocks. You know, so they come at romantic, you know, it's like a school. Because then I come to teach. Strictly roots and culture. Look at John. What kind of world are we living in? I'm asking. What kind of world are we living in? I tell you. What kind of world are we living in? I'm asking. What kind of world are we living in? I tell you. Because the world that we're living in is corrupted. The people within it, them I think too wicked. To me, them come in like warmonger. Them get up every day and I spread rumor. And guess who you think them next door neighbor? The only one to them that is a savior. In case of anything, me say like some fire. Say them are the first one to throw water. What kind of world are we living in? I'm asking. What kind of world are we living in? I'm telling you. What kind of world are we living in? I'm asking. What kind of world are we living in? I tell you. Because this is a question me want your answer. Why the youth them in the ghetto have to be sufferer? Me see the whole of them in crossroad area. Say some a wash car, some a wipe window, and some a sell star, daily news and cleaner. Them don't have no mother, me say no father. Them come in like the fishes in the deep water. Who looking for food, me say and shelter. Only way to survive is to pray to Jaja. Surrender for your heart and consider. Cause we moving in the fields of destroyer. So know how you a move, else we in a danger. Be resting me mind panja regular. Expressing my feeling as a subject of Jah. The mic in me and we liberate Africa. We beat pirate, me say and traitor. But then I don't mind what happen after the population of black man it out number. Remember Mr. Shadow lick it in a culture. Cause this a DJ come in like a preacher. It's only one thing, me up on the altar. Come in a the dance on the high tower. Say off for the road, see for the culture. So it's the Shadowman, the lyrics ambassador. What kind of world are we living in? I'm asking. What kind of world are we living in? I tell you. What kind kind of world are we living in? Asking. What kind of world are we living in? I tell you, because this is something Shadow can't understand. You get up every day with a gun in your hand. You camp on the road, go kill your own black man. But this is I'm on determination. So with one aim and dedication, we broke down the bars of Babylon and give freedom to every black man and take them to the place called Mount Zion. Me go make them know for them location. So if I'm right, don't tell me say me wrong. Around the microphone, me dey for exhibition. Remember Shadowman, him a band champion. What kind of world are we living in? I'm asking. Second dreadlocks, can I come to teach? If I want an hour, no dreadlocks, and I play the final. The man called Al Campbell. Do you remember love is not a tie and love is not a gamble? Shadowman and just go on the turn table and that is worries and trouble. Yeah. Go on Al Campbell. Do the man say just go? Yes, Dan, above it.
Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Me just in the corner, I smoke marijuana. Here come the officer. He say, give me what you got, sir. And true to respect, sir. Me give where me got, sir. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Trouble there, trouble tonight. Away, away, yeah. Beside two daughter, them sitting on the corner.
Mighty can't call out Gamba. Yes, Sherlock.
One of the ice me, the other cutting her asses. Them have been mash up the dancer. Them just a rough fear fighter. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Away, trouble in the dance. Away, trouble in the dance.
Mighty can't call out Gamba.
I smoke marijuana.
Trouble.
Here comes the officer. He say, give me where you have, sir. Due to respect, sir. Me give where me got, sir. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Trouble there, trouble tonight. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight.
Mighty can't call Crucial out Gamba. Yes!
I'm on a rock, I'm on a boat. We come to those who grab the boat. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Away, we grab on time. Away, we grab non-stop.
Yes, Sherlock.
Trouble in the dance, trouble tonight. Trouble tonight, trouble tonight. Away.
Those who like tight shit, I'm gonna come to rock shots, some suppose the being Shana, and some the version. Well, dreadlocks, anything you call it, you can't wrong. Quite see them one. Just take a little John.
Now we come to the ring crowd style.
Yeah.
This one is the quiet. Go from your umbrella.
Lord of mercy.
Whoa, yeah.
Hey, hey, come in on this, Lord, come in on this, hey, come in on this and get your business strong. Come in on this, Lord, come in on this, hey, come in on this and get your business. Tap on microphone, no tap but right hand ribbit. Step on microphone, no tap but right hand ribbit. You know, say rankings go way, man, they keep missing on this. You come in on the dance, they get your business face. They jump over the place, they pick and drop in the head. And from me know, say that me physical fit. Just come in on this, go on. Come in on this style, come in on this and get your business fixed. And if you a walk, you better walk, come in on this. And if you a drive, you better drive, come in on this. And if you a run, you better run, come in on it. Beg you pulley, yo, Lord. All some vibes and things and you track along and now, some cantankerous business. What's the little child, Mr. Lee, little Chucky, Shadowman, Squiddly, Bam, Bill, Bob. One time, take a king. Yeah.
Lord of mercy. Come on, from the bush and make the dance overload. Come on, from the street and make the dance get fit. Remember, rockin' from the rock and to the drum and beat. Then let me sound me mouth that I know so they say, hey, come in on this style, come in on this, hey. Come in on this, come get your business fixed, Lord. Come in on this, hey, come in on this, hey. Come in on this, come get your business fixed. And if you a walk, you better walk, come in on this. And if you a drive, you better drive, come in on this. And if you a run, you better run, come in on this. Remember, ranking snow all of the physical. Watch how me jump over the precipice, not drop in a head. And when me come figure you, that's how we get music. Remember, Papa Magic up me rock me to wake. Remember, ranking snow and flash the Chris lyric style. Come in on this, hey, come in on this style. Come in on this, come get your business fixed. Clap on my cap on the top of right hand ribbit. Clap on my cap on the top of right hand ribbit. Cause it's a DJ, classic lyrics. Cause it's a DJ, him and the premise in a this. Cause it's a DJ, him classic lyrics, Lord. Come in on this, Lord. Come in on this style. Come in on this, come get your business fixed. Let me jump over the precipice, not jump in the head. I found other people know me physical faith. Cap on nothing me if you find me like somatic. Go tell the rankings somewhere on the mic and flash it. Hey ya, come up the street and make the dance get sweet. Hey ya, come up the road and make the dance overload. Go the people you feel coming at your lawn. Check out the people you feel coming on the lawn. Hey, man can't crush us on a drivel lion. Our second scene. Hold tight like a jam.
Don't cry, don't cry, because I love you all the time.
I want no tears on your eye. You're wicked and not taking to romantic, I'm fine. Me and baby bump, we're gonna make it if we try. Spin the sky.
Don't cry,
Johnny will follow your eye. Yeah.
because I love you all the time. Don't cry.
What one ENT?
The very first time I saw you, girl, you are tantalizing me. You look in my eyes and told me, girl, that you in love with me. That's why I say, don't cry.
Little girl, I beg you don't cry.
Because I love you all the time. Yeah, don't cry. Take your time. Because I love you all the time. Yeah, don't cry. The very first time I look in your eyes, I know you'll be mine all the time. When I will give my heart and soul to you alone, no other girl but you alone. That's why I say, take your time.
Yeah, baby, take your time.
Because I love you
And I
all
want you
the time. Yeah, don't cry. I'm gonna give you my love.
Oh, dreadlocks. Man can't crush a cat and live in stamp on the same rhythm. I saw one romantic and sting. We're flicking down my selector from the top of the very last drop. A selector like you, John, you are like rock. Me and be a bounce who live at Dallas, Texas. John, know that.
And then you get nothing. Friend, my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah. You sit down on corner, and them a talk revolution. Youth man sit down on corner, them a talk revolution. Middle class get fear, and then them start to fret. Afraid, and then you get nothing yet.
Yeah. Why you can't call from the living stand?
We want to see a change everywhere. 'Cause living in the ghetto, man, it ain't easy. Say, afraid, and then you get nothing
bumping eyes off the scene. Dreadlocks.
The youths are in the forefront of the struggle, 'cause they see every.
Well, Dreadlocks. We come to action too. At tomorrow night, I play Gas, Camel Guard, Romantic Big, and Gigantic. What's the Squiddly Bank, I know say you don't lose. Lord. Old fashion. Hey yo. Don't cry, stang bang da die. Say why me tears on your eye. You ask me when me rep no up on your double eye. You know say super duper gonna make it if me try. Come me your bomb baby, say we not tell no lie. You ask me when me rep up on your double eye. You see me now me jacket, girl, you see me now me tie. Say me your baby, but we gonna make it if me try. Me down on the plane and me wish her bye bye. Bye. The little girl just start cry. Hey. Say baby girl don't cry. No no. Say little girl don't cry. Hey. We gonna make it if we try. Say me your bomb baby, say we not tell no liar. You ask me when me work up for your double wire. You see me now me jacket and you see me now me tire. You lick a Shadowman judge and know we must try. You lick a little John, you shall not surely die. You spit in out the sky, it a go fall in on your eye. Say what goes up, say it must come down. You wigging and you jigging to the A1 sound. Along with that this going to bring the lyrics them down. Me weigh 165 pound. You skin it to the black, come on, you skin it to the brown. Say stick and a stone and it's a black eye bound. I kick me down to choke, it's like a dog without a bone. Say when me don't know machine, me go leave and go home. Say on your way up and me say on your way down. You wigging and you jigging to the romantic sound. Along with that, this going to bring the lyrics them down. Lord, baby don't cry, ta-die, say baby don't cry, say ta-die, say baby don't cry, ta-die, wet the tears from your eye, die, say little Dada don't cry, die, say little don't cry. Lord, cause if you ask me when me rep no up a you double wire. You see me now me jacket girl, you see me now me tie. You lick a baba baby, say you surely gonna die. You lick a Shadowman, me say that's when we ma go cry. Say what that the tears it a follow to me high. You spitting out the sky and say it falling on your eye. Say what goes up, say it must come down. You wigging and you jigging to the A1 sound. Along with baby bound with 140 pound. Your skin it could have black, me say your skin it could have brown. Remember stick a stone and it is iPhone. But when me done not chat it, me go leave and go home. I kick me without a tone like a dog without a bone. But when me done no match it, me go leave and go home. Remember coward man said them keep sound bone. Say whether downtown, me say whether uptown. Come me a baby bomb flash with lyrics all around. Say me a baby bomb we at the talk of the town. Me we 155 pounds, so don't cry. Die, what die, baby girl, don't cry. What die, say baby don't cry. So wet the liquor tears from your goddamn eye. Da die, girl don't cry. You know say super duper gonna make it if me try. Me try. Me dress up now, me jacket so me dress up now, me tie. You know say super duper say he must get a blind. The blind say me not tell no lie. Lord of mercy, what must about baby?
Circle just cool, you know you're not cry. Lyrics like these, you know they must get a blind. Spit on the sky, it will fall in your eye. To see them come me like a bird where you fly. We're looking for food and somewhere to lie. Don't cry. Bang little ling, da dang, die. Don't cry. Hey, But a baby girl, don't cry, yeah. Bang little ling, don't cry, hey. But you pay weapon that the tears go from your eye. Lord, that fellas say. But me no have no jacket, me no have no tie. When you come a romantic, you must get a fly. You spit into the sky, it a go fall in your eye. To me them come in like a bird where you fly. Well looking for food and somewhere to lie. If you no mind sharp, then me joke out your eye. Don't cry, bang middling, don't cry, yeah. Lord, because you ask me when me work up and you double high. Me come in on the dance and some of them is a spy. But I owe them a spy pan eye. Me have a little girl and she name my. But which one she live on up and you double eye. Don't cry, bang don't cry. Lord, hey girl, I tell you don't cry, yeah. Lord, because we come in on the dance and we must get a fly. From them and rhythm and we just start apply. Lord, in on the dance, me no come fi tell no lie. But when we start talk tears and jump from them high. But some of them a girl, man, them so damn shy. Cause them come in on the dance, man, them love the arm shy. And them dress up in a jacket, man, them dress up in a tie. And come a courthouse and a tell pipe and I. Don't cry, bang middling, don't cry, yeah. Lord, that fella say, because roses are red and Mr. Wallace is blue. But cow should stink and it don't stink like you. Me come in on the dance and me just a pass you. And me and Shadowman, you know say we brand new. Say girl fix your foot and me I see under you. Jano dreadlocks, man like Crucial, Kingston Livingston. Select my Everton, the number one in my champion. Man like just Crucial and man Little John. Yay! Play one in Kingston, every one Iowa. Will it go down on the music and Sakata I do play? Yay!
Everybody business, you know. Everybody business, you know.
Man, I lash it.
Everybody business.
Let people business alone. Find the business of your own. Lord, say I'll pull it up again here. Music, sweet dreadlocks. Counteraction style every time. Jano dreadlocks. Counteraction to a play from music and be nobody boo. One like Everton does a fling brand new. Yay! Pass it with a whole long time. Cause tonight I'm feeling 90s, so better feel so alright. When they come on romantic, we on top on the mic. The people them a tell we say we find sound so nice. It name, call me now this, you like it. Call me now this style. Call me now this a jamboree. You see me, call me now this, you like it. Call me now this style. Call me now this a jamboree. Lord, because of 3D on the mic you can see. Shadowman baby pump on the yo Squiddly. Me Clano, me King, me I still see. Immense parents me to be a mic MC. So me not go do the work of this iniquity. Me have me identity. My identity is to certify me. Me born now me grow in Jamaica country. Me get the inspiration from the Almighty to bring culture into human body. Psychologic your heart down to your kidney. Cause when we come out and we in a category, we don't lick it on the roots and culture style. Along with Everton, them doesn't touch up the key. Now me have a fat girl, she name Rosie. Me take her up a hood and in a halfway tree. Send me on the girl, taking a movie. Ask intermission from the girl, say she hungry. She name a dozen party, drink a dozen Pepsi. Say when the show done, me couldn't take no taxi. Say all of the money in a Rosie belly. Me start to cry, me go down for me knee. Me say Rosie, where make you so greedy? A girl like you should have done a GP and get 3 meals a day with no rent to pay. Me come in on the dance, me on the past DJ. Everton them select jam and them select C and where it name. Call me now this, you like it? Call me now this style. Come in on this and jamboree. You see we come in on this, you like it? Call me now this style. Come in on this and jamboree. Lord, but let me say what is machine up dance and land party. some pistol tail boy bout them a MC. And chat from the mic, illiterately. I go and tell you all the things that qualify me. Me never run away from responsibility. Me dark brown slim and someone sexy. Me come in on the gas, me in a category. It name, call me on this, you like it. Call me on this style. Come in on this and jamboree. You see me? Call me on this style. Come in on this one. Come in on this and jamboree. Come in on Shadowman, man. Yes, baby Baba. Well, put it in my selector. Well, thing I got and do for sock right now. Getting myself in line, you know, cause time now for black man free from slavery and captivity. So dreadlocks and I go telling the right about the black man liberation scene. Circle, cause when I come and dance and I come to teach. I want yourself like a John, you're safe. More than a safety pin. Star, I bandit la die, badai, dandit la die, take it no star. This are the black man liberation. Brother man, this are the black man liberation. Brother man, they not the black man liberation. Hear me? Because the life in the ghetto say German it's tough. Say to too tough, I German you have to think rough. You go on like a mouse, you will live like a coffin. The black man liberation. Brother man, this are the black man liberation. You know I star. Them people from Africa, them change our name. Say pan feel we put me, say them put the big chain. Them say we come a jam down for all and pull the star. A black man time scene. Plus I know. Yes, crowd of people have to do it now. But they come a dancehall and I come to teach culturally. Because I know chat on with black and vulgar. Because them think they can't get black people wiser. Step to Johnny Wonder. Are you old man? Stop it up, God, singer. No one of mine, man. Lord, you know start. In a day black man liberation. Brother man, this a day black man liberation. Watch it, catch it. In a day black man liberation. Brother man, this a day black man liberation. Relax, because the life in a day ghetto say German it's rough. Say just to survive, me say German you have it tough. Or else you a go turn out fi be a big tough. You know say Mr. Shadow a the DJ prof in a day black man liberation. Brother man, this a day black man liberation. Watch it, get it, and this a black man liberation. Relax, because them take away from Africa, them change our name, Lord. Fan we put me, said them put the big chain. They carry come a jam down, fi cut the sugar cane. We in the burning sun, now we a feel all the pain. And every other day a black man blood drain. While the rich man in a chair, him a drink champagne. Him cut fi him pen and a start up cocaine. Plus strictly sense me and ya a flow in a me brain. You know say Mr. Shadow come fi make him name in a the black man liberation. Brother man, can this a black man liberation? Relax, because me sight a lot of children from the street with no clothes and no shoes on them feet. Me sight some other rest in a the rubbish heap. Them looking some food, German just to eat. And while the rich man them a reap all the sweet. Yeah, the in a white shirt, Charlie Chaplin with pleat. Imported drink and expensive meat. You chat about that police kick out your teeth. The next thing him tell your boy, join the jeep. Where your mother and your father stand up and a weep. I say Lord have mercy, what make them have to do it? Because them know the hell you going to meet. But me say those things man me think seriously. Me look into it and me know a cruelty. No matter when me don't chat, say if them kill me. Me know little John we still follow me. And then everybody will all agree that this is the time for black man free. Jamaica we country with all me selector. Our is coming school.
Jano Shadowman, that was nice. Jano. Lord, it came up. Pound fire, we come visit the pound fire. Hey, pound fire. Our passion. It came up. Dancehall boogie, it name the dancehall boogie. Style. Dancehall boogie, it name the dancehall boogie. Some are coming and them walking dolly and them booty. Them put laugh with them boyfriends every timely. Some are cool and deadly, some are second steady. Some are wind up with them waist, some are roll them belly. You call it dancehall boogie, you call it dancehall boogie. Style. Dancehall boogie, you call it dancehall boogie. You know, say the vibes on it are moving on me. Respond with the youth, with them call Bam Squiddly. You know say rankings got the super duper MC. I cannot shit in a A, you cannot flash it in a B. And if I me a counter that a 1, 2, 3. And when I me a singer that a don't re me. The greatest comedian a Lou and Ronnie. Go tell them just to lick it in the style. The DJ vibes and it a moving and make them call it dancehall boogie. Them call it dancehall boogie and style it. Dancehall boogie. Them call it dancehall boogie and style it. Dancehall boogie. Them call it dancehall boogie. Reggae pulley, yo.
Walk one
some guys
ENT.
and pushing a dance and thing. We'll take a Bam Squiddly, go chuckle down and bring in the dance scene. Our words. Lord of mercy. Lord, hey. Richie Chibong King. Richie Chibong King. Chapon on star, they say, see, Tenor. Say, I am the gringo from El Salvador. The first house me buy, yes, around a Ecaro. Shadow thief off the window, and him thief the door. And when the rain a fall, me and fe bounce up on the floor. Shaman, me say me people them score. Shaman, me a go tell you the score. Say 12 and a 12, that a 24. 22 and 22, and that a 44. Cut up off a trip, me say you find the most score. You sleep on your back and judge, I know you more store. Go tell them just go him come for level and score. Say born on star, they say see Tenor. Say I am the bigger from Ecuador. The first sounds me by land over Portmore. Shadow thief off the window, jam him thief the door. And when the rain a fall, me a fe bounce up on the floor. Shamarla man, me say me people them poor. Me come a dance, stop me come for level and score. So 12 and 12, you know what? 24, 22 and 22, you know what? 44, 42 and 42, you know what? 84, 82 and 82, you know I want 64. Cut up off the tree, me say you find the most score. You sleep on your back, judge, I know you most score. Go tell them just to win up the lit big galore. It no further than the sun, them on the seashore. So, come in at this head. Come in at this ground, come in at this, come get your business fixed. Come in and Shadowman, we at the keep missing at this. Come in and Shadowman, we at the keep missing at this. You know say them now you, them flash the Chris lyrics. You know say them now you, them flash the Chris lyrics. So, take and come in Bam Squiddly.
You know just grow, a youth like you must get through every time. Dedicated man like Bazzy, man like Pepper, King Second man. Hey, Barry B bang, sing. Barry B bang, sing. What you call it? At time we warm and we gonna dance. Come take it. At time we warm and we gonna dance. Come take it. At time we warm and we gonna dance. Come in and me dance, me a jump and prance. Be and come in a romantic dance. Come take it. Be and come in a romantic dance. Because we can tankerous business a gone. Man with one foot and man with one arm. Man head crush out like jam crush can. Lose one breast in a 51 storm. Place a march down like 51 storm. Come take it. At time we warm and we gonna dance. At time we warm and we gonna dance. Come take it. At time we warm and we gonna dance. All of me gal them won't give me no chance. All of me gal them won't give me no chance. Every night come lad them want romance. Them don't go to party, them don't go to dance. Now she gone van on the moon down a France. She don't write a letter and tell me thanks. It seems like she don't have a good remembrance. When me come through the entrance, you give me clearance. Come take it. At time we warm and we gonna dance style. At time we pull up. Jano dreadlocks everywhere. Me assure you. Jano, the man say Shadowman.
Well, he's no Squiddly bomb, man. He's a sick man, you know. Take your time, no, man. No dreadlocks, and I still a chuckle down with the mighty cat called Carter Livingston. Dedicate him style to the man called Nature B. The man the big scene. Man the full of lyrics is a shame. Shiny, don't worry about it. Every day. Now you come to think called a part 2 style dreadlocks. But right now, dread, I go down to the Bible one more time, seeing. Dedicate them style to all righteous man and woman. Now for your righteous, you have to be a daddy man tick, you know. Call Christian come a daddy man tick more time. Come rock them waistline. Baling balang, baling balang balang Lord. Bandilla dilla dilla da da dang dang one. Baling balang, baling balang balang one. Bambilla dilla dilla da da dang dang. This a the day of creation. Brother man, this a the day of creation. Come Mr. Shadow with the day of creation. Brother man, this a the day of creation. Relax, to make the heaven and the earth. Me say in the beginning, but on the first day he make the light by willing. Say on the second day, me say Jah make the sky. Him also make the plant and then him give it life. His time and Mr. Shadow at the microphone stand. I teach you the right and not the wrong. And the third day separate the water from the dry land. But on the fourth day make the star, moon and sun. The lyrics of my mouth is like a bullet from a gun. Remember Mr. Shadow come fi chant them down. Make the fishes and the bird me say on the fifth day. But on the sixth day Jaja never delay. Make all living creature immediately. You already know Jah rest on the seventh day in a the day of creation. Brother man, this a the day of creation. Relax, say this a the day of creation. Brother man, this a the day of creation. Well watch out, come me say that was not all. Jaja have other plan. Use this line from the earth, but then they make man. The man that he make me say them call him Adam. But little after that him have a discovery. The man that he make was very lonely. Use a rip from that man, German he make a lady. The lady that he make me say them call her Eve. Picture them your lyrics that is like a relief. Me still got more enough in me short sleeve. And anytime me chat code the people you believe in a the day of creation. Brother man, this a the take me down low, me selector. Come in, Brownie.
Jano Shadowman, no circle you bomb. Man like just settle up Brownie man. Think we know see a big every time. Just galang no man. Easy. Yes my brother. Man like Everton the crucial selector. You know star, Lord. Show nothing now. Go follow no rumor every day. Shadowman, give thanks. Kawina, go follow no rumor, you hear what I'm saying. You know, like him a star, it's only Jah who give us strength and power, it's only Jah. Lord, repeat again, Mr. Ping, it's only Jah who give us strength and power, it's only Jah. Hey, repeat again, Mr. Ping, it's only Jah. Last year I know, how you say Shadowman?
Yes, baby, Bob, come now.
Second no Shadowman, man. Think I know, say a big no man. Second massive. I like to be something I got on them on the big every time they relax. Full of romantic massive. Lord of policy, repeat again, mommy now follow Roma. Lord, me say me prefer go to school and get my diploma. Me got turn a lawyer and me got turn a doctor. Mommy now follow Roma. But I watch a man, me say if you don't care, God, say you will never go nowhere. Bang, diddling. There is a holy for redeem and a lyrics for me. I'm done your face, to the chap is you talk your rum, think come from the beer. Me say talang baling Roma every day. Go on again, star. Cause I say talang baling Roma every day. Go on again, star. Cause I say Roma is that good. Cause I say Roma is that better. Say Roma is that black. Cause I say Roma is that white. It can make you kill your picnic and stamp up your wife. Put a rope round your neck and commit suicide. Me say talang baling Roma every day. Go on again, star. Cause I say Jennifer, Susan, the one Sandra. Tell them them come up and make it in a Corolla. Say on a little of a dance, them a spread rumor. Show them kill John Tom in a Manchester. But me nah follow Roma. Repeat that till you say me nah follow Roma. I tell them, me say me nah follow Roma. Say Everton name on the damn God selector. Beat the soft and hit on a roots and culture. Follow watch a man, me say dalang baling bang, diddling dang dang. Dalang baling bang, diddling da da dang. Balang bang, diddling dang. Mami na follow Roma. Me come
Me set the dance and pump on fire. Say Everton name on the damn God selector. We just and lick it on the rose and culture. But what your man say Solomon, he was the wisest man. Him never know the secret of a kid and woman. So girl, don't play no tricks. You better be colourlum and they still gone. You never really do me down the riverbed. But what better you better love your head star. Me say you colourlum, leave romantic sound alone. Tell them again star. Jono dreadlocks. I saw it nice and easy, cool and deadly. Jono dreadlocks. More like crucial can't live in stand. Jono dreadlocks them tell you fashion. When you come a romantic you hold a woman. King dreadlocks. This is right up on the participation. Circle of Janga man.
As I wander round the streets of town, oh yes, girl, you are nowhere
Selector.
to be found.
Skyscrape, reactivate. Them style are great. You come a romantic sound you could never underrate. You know relax every hour. I saw it do it. Circle of God and Tinga. Cool of double so. I hear the girl that want suck them sexy and super suck. Yeah.
Oh gosh,
But I just show Shadowman. Circle of Little John. Brownie and Everton.
as I wander round the streets of town, oh yes, girl, you are nowhere to be found. All the things they say,
Dedicated man like Locious. They no dreadlocks, them man are no anxious.
girl, you are there with somebody new.
Pull up.
So I wonder why.
Islander she be selector. Rewind. They no dreadlocks. Second Locious, cause you big every time. Man like King, these kind of man them second now. I'll vend that. Romantic past the second. Prestige whining machine. Yeah, we run to the back. Second us kill it, man.
You know relax them style and fashion. Pattern, woman, young man, galang, moderation.
As I wander round the streets of town, oh yes, girl, you are nowhere to be found.
You're no star.
All the things they say are true, oh yes. Then girl, you are there with somebody new. So I wonder why I ain't gonna get your loving tonight. I ain't gonna get your kissing no tonight.
Circle of Lincoln.
Now I know how love could be. There is emptiness inside of me. This is how I know your love is not real. So I say, Lord,
Jesus, peace,
I'm gonna get your kisses.
goodness gracious. Oh dear, right sis.
I ain't gonna get your loving no tonight. Oh yeah. I wish that you were here. Then baby I wouldn't have no fear. For
You
you
know relax.
but I can't find
Romantic things on the topic club. What do you do for the microphone chat?
because I know someone else is there. So I say, I ain't gonna get your loving no tonight. I ain't gonna get your kisses no.
Selassie, I know. Yeah, you're gonna story of this show.
Gonna get no romance.
Got me while you're not out.
So all I've got to do is walk this lonely town tonight. Oh God, oh God. Alright. Yeah. This loneliness is deep inside of me.
No all I pull up selector. On a certain other company nice up Chicana. One counteraction style. Some call it participation, some call it version. Anyway, me call it play on the current fight same one. John O'Dreadlock. John was so eat every time lives and rhyme. Last year I know our fashion and style.
The well versatile.
Bang ling ling dada, bang ling dada, bang ling dada, bang ling dada, bang lang ling dada, bang ling dada. Keep on me young Clyde was too good fella, but everywhere them go, can I say people set them favor, them born on them grow. Me say down in Jamaica, them no afraid of no police, them no afraid of no soldier, got them there too youth. All I is it, Jano dreadlocks. Them style of fashion, cool man, romantic, massive, well attractive. Think when I come to the dance for fire. Till I say I know the lock. Romantic rider, don't want to sell for the big every time. Cool up tough is up man. Nah, all I say. Bang ling dada, bang lang ling dada, bang ling dada, bang ling dada, bang ling dada. Step on the young Clyde, let's talk to him man.
Easy man, easy man. Right now, dreadlocks and music we are dealing with, you know. We're not dealing with no war business, see? We're not dealing with no war business, dreadlocks. That's just music we are dealing with. Love and unity, see? Levelment, man. Mic check. Right now, dreadlocks and I are track along in a part 3 style. And I'm going to bring in Mr. Lee, saying, come in so.
Shadowman, man. Wake up everybody, no more sleeping in your bed, boy. Ready everybody. Very cool and deadly, yeah. Wake up everybody, no more sleeping in bed, yeah. Stop your backward thinking, it's time for me thinking ahead, boy. Romantic is the A1 sound, the A1 sound round town, boy.
Pull up them style of my selector. No dreadlocks, man, to know, say them style here. Them style is element. In case you don't know, outstanding. Go on, Mr. Lee, you're big.
It's a shame, boy. It's a shame, boy. It's a shame, boy. It's a shame. Oh, it is a shame. It's a shame. Oh, it is a shame. Why does it
Wagwan ENT.
That is a shame. Oh, it is a shame to see a little sound that's gone down the drain. Cause them fighting for power, but that the man come to kill them every hour. And little Dan, you know we begin at the era. And Shadowman, me say you know we blood voucher. And Mr. Lee and little Chucky are the singer. But it's a shame, oh it is a shame to see a little sound that's gone down the drain. A romantic make him name. That is the sound used to play down the lane. But now the man tick him bump on the main. That is a shame, oh it is a shame to see a little sound that's gone down the drain. Them fighting for power, but that the man tick come to kill them every hour. Man ding ding mo, na na ding 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 boy. Say romantic, you never touch the murder. And Mr. Lee round the control tower. That is a shame, oh it is a shame to see a little sound that's gone down the drain. Them fighting for power, but that the man come to kill them every hour. When Shadowman and Mr. Lee in the era, ranking screw and liquor Johnny Wonder, and liquor Chucky man, you know him large voucher. And ranking screw him come to nice up the venue, and Squiddly man, you know him a the champion. And baby Bappy man, the girl and the sweet stuff. But it's a shame, oh it is a shame to see a little sound that's gone down the drain. But Shadowman,
Yes, Mr. Lee. But right now, crowd of people, and I go show the eye them why that man to gone for the me and I'm big and make him name seen. Little John, buckle up yourself, man. Way.
And I touch on some cantankerous vibes. What up is up your stylist, you know? Get busy, Miss Selector, man. Lord. Because them love you like the sound and the operator. Them love them like we sound and we operator. Ah, boy. Easy, man. I worries, you know. That's how we do it. Cantankerous. Big good question, man, called Tipali. Just start up, so. See you. Left me and Brownie. Squiddly bomb, just go, baby, about ya. Vibes. Dreadlocks.
Where should I sound them here and move here, you know?
Baling, balang, baling, balang, balang, balang. Them love them like we sound and we operator. Them love them like we sound and we operator. Ranking Screw and the youth called Johnny Wonder. Baby Bob, Squiddly Bomb, for me smaller brother. Mr. Lee, little Chucky, I want to way singer. Ah, boy. May I show you? No Dreadlocks, them style is element. Outstanding. Hold on tight, singer. Stop it so God. I worries, you know. China, Jimmy. Vibes. Them love them like them, love them like them, love them like them, love them like them, love them like we sound and we operator. Them love them like we sound and we operator. Ranking Screw and the youth, little Johnny Wonder. Squiddly Bomb, baby Bob, be me smaller brother. Little Chucky, Mr. Lee, them a be we singer. Along with Mr. Shadow on the mic center. The bass line round, but the treble sweeter. And that we use and control the whole Jamaica. Whining machine prestige and the art number. Scabble Garden Union and the aisle vendor. Let's go! Go! Say, come on. Oh, come in, just go.
What you know? It's like what Santa Fe telling about the poker drum. Tuesday, I mean, my friend never come in at church. 13. Lord of mercy, come in, make we dance, come in, make we dance, come in, sure, purpose selector, don't know. What we just watch the man and say my dance, come in. Come here, Mr. Go and come in at church, and may I show the say, so we get that spirit. I've always, second Shadowman. God, King, come to the wall, I am flip on the man there. Second, Lord of mercy, come in, make we dance, come in, make we dance, come in, just rub up your head with kalanga water, go round the corner and sprinkle powder. Move your foot and make you move your shoulder. So swing off for your hand like a propeller. So move up for your chest like a elevator. Go tell them ranking scoop around the Eiffel Tower. Come in, make we dance, come in, make we dance, come in. The lips on me mouth that no stack of vulgar. The lips on me mouth that a roots of culture. Cause in a dance on me a shot the danger. Come in, make we talk the come in, make me drop the come in. Me a go take off the na of a come in, come in, make we dance, come in, make we dance, come in, just rub up your head with kalanga water, go round the corner and sprinkle powder, hey, rough up your head like you a mother, just move off your foot, then you move your shoulder, the lips on me mouth, that are roots and culture, just swing off your hand like a propeller, so move up your chest like a elevator, you know say ranking school around the Eiffel Tower. Now we there ya dance and we ya dance come. Check come selector, hey. Say come in, dash it to me selector.
January ranking screw, when you sprinkle the powder, it come like you want to swell me balls, man. You want to swell me balls.
Well, that was the first sign I'm over here. Seen, January. What me never know say you have boss, I still never find out. Yeah. Pull up. What Payneland Massive? Macaulay Massive, a full stylist. Frankie Paul, original.
Slave driver.
Yeah.
I want to be.
Lord.
Every time I hear the whip,
What's the last thing I know? All the good lads say, suffer the little children to come unto I and forbid them not. For such is the kingdom of heaven. But dreadlocks saying I no deal with Babylon and warmonger and I no Eden. See, and I stand up alone like Daniel in the lion den.
Every time I hear a whip, my blood runs cold. I remember the brutalization my poor people went to. Slave driver, give me my pay. Slave driver, I won't go.
The love of Jah is eternal life. So brother man, you must not build no strife and take no bribe and take your brother man life. Just hold on to a woman and call her your wife. Yeah.
Over my back, whip over my back, slave driver.
Balang 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 balang.
My pay. Slave driver, I won't obey.
Fling it, Dread.
Skidip, skidip, skidip. The whip,
Now he that love it not
the whip,
could have never loved your obvious. Dedicated to our slave driver. Them could have never prosper sin.
slave driver, I won't obey. Bulldog, after me in the bushes. Bulldog,
Sound like the daddy man to guide for her.
in the bushes.
You know what, Samuel? Man can't just cool like a John Wanda. Spit the bomb, baby, Baba, I shall a man bout ya. Second Italian like a chocolate brownie.
I won't obey. Slave driver, slave driver.
No out of that and in a this. Cause your musical command is I man wish. When I go down in a musical basket and bring musical this biscuit so crazy, the thing called Kushung Peng dedicated to all herbalists. Like the man called Jimbo, big from Zodiac. Worries again, problem again. Cause this one you add the ring to Shung Peng. Circle. I track down a thing called Part 2 style. Dedicated to the man called God Thing and Double Stock along with the man called Wildlife Jimbo. The man they have people herbalist seeing. Country. Dedicated to all ganja man seeing. Say ganja man, them a fi rich lord. Them a fi rich ganja man, them a fi rich kwan. Them a fi rich ganja man, them a fi rich lord. Take me down low, my selector. It's worries again, trouble again. Lord of mercy, bandana do. Sucker, Jimbo, Ting and God, Walleye, double up. I just pattern and style. No joke. Say ganja man, them a fi rich lord. Them a fi rich ganja man, them a fi rich ribbit. Them a fi rich ganja man, them a fi rich lord. Them a fi rich ganja man, them a fi rich kwan. Them a fi rich inna the ganja plantation. Brother man, this a the ganja plantation. Relax, because me get up in the morning and me water me farm. We work from night right back till dawn. And when me check out, say that was no boat gone. We check little John, fi go tell me where I gone. He say Shadowman, parakeet inna your all and pull man. A trouble, sickle. Right now, Trey, and I gonna bring in a singer. See it? Come in, look. Easy Shadowman. Yeah, request to man like Big and I go to. Request to all fighter boy. Hey, 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 hey. Cause them a fighter, but I'll win one day. Hey. Them a fighter, but I'll win one day. Hey. Cause I'm a one-man army. I'm a one-man army. I'll pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Whoa, whoa. Request to every fighter, man. Request to all fighter, boy. Know them, you know. Sex them, you know them, no. You feel me, no soon, you know. You feel me, no can't hide, no. Second Squiddly bomb. Hey, 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 la, 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 la. One-man army, hey. But I'm a fighter, but I'll win one day. Hey. Them a fighter, but all win one day. Cause I'm a one-man army. To defend my life, I don't want a company. Hey, cause I'm a one-man army. To defend my life, I don't need no company. Them a fighter, but I'll win one day. Them a fighter, then we win one day. Hey, hey, Tuna boy can't use me. Hey, Tuna boy can't use me. Every day, them just a fight me. Them a laugh and a smile and a chat with me. Them a fighter, but I'll win one day. Hey, them a fight. All a bully up, whoa, 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 whoa. No yourself in a song. No man no get fight like the Almighty Jah. Seeing the Babylon system, just go and sing. Oh, different style. Hey, hey. I'll ask a question, no man will answer. Hey, I'll ask a question, no man will answer. Me say, what them a go do fi stop Tenor, sir? What them a go do fi stop Tenor, sir? My name is Tenor, sir. Then you can call me the musical power. You know my name is Tenor, sir. And you can call me the musical power. I will ask a question. No boy, never dare answer. Tenor, sir, asking a question. No boy, never dare answer. Listen, what them a go do to stop Tenor, sir? No. What them a go do to stop Tenor, sir? You can't stop me. No, 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 no. Them can't stop me now. No, them can't stop me now. That's why I say them a fighter. But one day I'll win, one day I'll win. Them a fighter, but I'll win one day. Hey, 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 I'll win one day. Hey, hey, just to defend my life, I don't need no damn company. I want you know, Tenor, sir, I'm a one-man army. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, cause I'm a one-man army. To defend my life, me no want no company. I wanna hear that. So nobody wanna do it, Big and brave, let's check some Fred and a boy. Come in, do.
John no Tenor, sir. What brave man they want to write a no by Danny, man? Yeah, look at John, come in. John no. Body can't come from the pan. Pull up the selector. Pull up. Jano, pull up. I can't tell the lazy love business, you know. Me like the warm love. Scene. Yeah. Jano. Have to be a fun start. Well, let's give me the original start, look at John. Cowboy Riz and trouble every time.
Traveling.
Wagwan ENT.
Pull up a selector. Jano. Well, this is the original start. Come break all girls down. You call Frankie Palmer Lion. And what is trouble? Selector, give me Raban. Brentford Road Rock. Studio One Fashion. What's take a passe? Scene. Be about to ready for them. Someone about to touch it. Scene. Be about ready, but it's not gone. But it's ready. What is selector? Will not request. Enough respect, my selector. I'm bringing it down. That's some rules that come in, little John.
Lift it up, Everton, lift it up. Enough respect to the man called Daddy Man Boucher. Enough request to the man called Daddy Man. Well, romantic massive, no word yourself. Saying, I never sing out. Can't no say. Sure, don't worry your body, no man. Ooh, oh gosh, alright. Ooh, all is but good, it says. Well, a long time Babylon I try to stop me, but no way.
I love skyscrape, reactivate. Little John is scrape him now, chant for rape. Second little John, you the girl them one yam. Then check say I miss yam, pum yam. Galang,
Second Jimbo, come know you want Zodiac. Sky Juice, think we know you play it. Second Sky Juice. Give my Latino man the Sky Juice, kind of big. Oh gosh, well it's a long time Babylon I tried to stop me, but no way, no way. But nothing you can do and nothing you can say can keep me down. Well, I heard something that I was born to be a loser, and that I say, and why can't we? No way. I be a yellow be bad murder. You be bully, to be jack it up. Yeah.
Well, second Jimmy, I have big every time seen. Second on Bertie man, Squiddly Bam, second on Steve. Come in a little John man, the girl them want to live on them chicks here in England.
Whoa, why? Well, it's a long time Babylon I try to stop we, but no way, no way. But nothing you can do and nothing you can say can keep me down. Well, I heard something that I was born to be a loser, and that I say, and why can't we? No way. The wicked man with those evil plans can keep me down. I said never give up, I never give up, no matter what they do. I never give up, I never give up. The Payneland posse will never give up. Payneland posse will never give up. Oh no, you know. A long time Babylon I try to stop we, but no way, no way. I want to hear me now. Ayo, me did love. Oh my darling, because ayo, me did love. Oh my baby, because you broke my heart and you tore it all apart, baby. What that a romantic a clap? I want to know. I said what that a romantic a clap? I was about 2-time loser. Hey, but I hear you gonna lose this time, no. Oh no, you know. The first time I fall in love, I was disappointed. She told me I was too small to be a man. And these are the words I said to her. A lovely man needs a lovely girl. Fire, yeah. Don't be so keen on the area. Don't be so come with the girl they want suck. Lord, don't take you to super suck. Lord, don't be suck your broad boat. Don't be suck your road to the child. You want me and you love it all a murder. Don't be so come with the girl they want suck. Jano, what's it?
Same style.
Well, Jano, what's the good up is suck? Can you the girl them suck, super suck, delicious suck. Scene, Jano. Laria, with the T-bong chain. Tell it to them, we come to want them. Hey, tell it to them, we come to beat them car. Ready for them, we say we ready for them. Hey, second selector, pull it up. Jano, Baltimore Island Janga. So King, the second.
Second Sky Juice man. You think me know say I have enough use? Come on, yeah.
Lord of mercy. Second Sky Juice. Hey, I'm a brother. Scene. I'm worries. Second Island. Lord, ready for them, we say we ready for them. Hey, ready for them, we say we ready for them. Papa Jaro, I come, but it's no problem. Black Scorpio, you a come, but it's no problem. King Gemini, you come, but it's no problem. Car, ready for them, we say we ready for them. Hey, ready for them, we say we ready for them.
War, ready for them, we say we ready for them. Just go right with pencil, but be right with pen. But Charmin not a but she no and no boyfriend, she a idiot, she have about 110 star. Ready for them, we say we ready for them. We come in on the dance, we a give them problem. But hero we we voices sound like FM. But Jaro a come and a no problem. Black Scorpio a come and no problem.
Gone. Ready, we ready, and not gone, we gone. Gone. Ready, we ready, and not gone, we gone. When we come a dance, style is like a new king born. We come a dance, style is like a new king born. We rockin' from a dust, I see it down till dawn. But 51 storms say me never did born. Who wide up his up, did that tell me where they go? Who why little John, did that tell me where they go? Who why Shadowman, did that tell me where they go? Them said that after the storm, said then them get a calm. But why police, them a fire be a con. You step up and me tell you might but me from me con. Cause 51 storms say me never did born. But be a con, conquerors business are gone. Come and lose them foot and a man lose them harm. A lot of house wash in a 51 storm. Cause down a St. Elizabeth me have a big farm. Me plant out me sense, me plant me green corn. Car ready for them, me say we ready for them. Hey, ready for them, me say we ready for them. But a Jaro a come but it's no problem. King Gemini ya come but it's no problem. Black Scorpio come but it's no problem. Car ready for them, we say we ready for them.
We gonna kill them. Ready for them, we say we ready for them. We gonna kill them. Ready for them, we say we ready for them. Why? Ready, we ready, and not gone, we gone. Star, Jano Dreadlocks, Sickle no man.
Welcome in, Daddy Lee. Yeah, well, Dreadlocks, and I should say, up here, Canton Girls business upon Jano. Party time tonight, my lion. Yeah. Second massive, Shadowman. Yeah.
Pull up, Mr. Selector. Pull up. Jano Dreadlocks, them the grass people are bad. Jano, dedicate the man like Devon, man like Zeph, Hookworm. Second up, daddy life, man.
Second up is so kind of the best bike rider in Jamaica. See no guy test you. Singer, King, God, Tom, Fluff, Island Town, Wayne and Changa.
Yeah.
Lincoln, suck yourself now. Bertie, go on. Let's take a Jimbo. Cause you one big Zodiac.
Yeah. We're everything will be.
Pull up, Selector. Pull up. If you want big belly style juice, if me ever see music I play them now play it to say. Every night in Scabble Garden. When I show us, nobody feel like a 1963 style, let me I know, a 84 style. See, come in Tenor song, come sing out.
Well, easy just group, I am big. Dedicate them style to all nice and decent people, see? Now without the people, I and I like nothing. It's just I and I birds in like big, see? Big in the area. Only just make all my dreams come true. Dreams come true. Only Boy, can I say you remind me of the great Barrington Lewis? Last year, I know. Go on, sing for them. He's a Shadowman, kind of big enough. Oh. Only just make all my dreams come true. Dreams come true. Only make my dreams come true. Dreams come true. Before I go to sleep, I got to kneel and pray. Pray, I gotta praise His name. All I'm pulling, all and dash it, Lord, yeah. Lord, all it up, take it up, Selector, take it up.
Wagwan ENT.